Providing efficient and easy wiring solutions that offer the flexibility to adapt to changing requirements is beneficial when installing signal marshalling cabinets for process automation. Weidmuller Clip-on Connect W2C and W2T terminal blocks, available from Mouser Electronics, are available for continuity, disconnect, fuse, and ground functions in compact single and double level arrangements that maximize flexibility. The disconnect lever and hinged fuse carrier can be swapped, accommodating last-minute changes without rewiring. Up to 3 cross-connection channels simplify potential distribution, and an integrated PE contact provides a simple shield connection for incoming field wires, with a potential free earth option to prevent coupling loops for noise currents in the ground system. The terminal blocks feature integrated test sockets, numerous marking options, and carry a wide range of international approvals.